Emperors and Empresses, welcome back to my channel. Cherish the Empress here, and welcome back to another video that I'm going to share with you all. Today I'm going to talk about a product, basically a planner that I recently purchased, and just kind of do an unboxing with you and then let you get in close and see the items that I got and how I plan to set it up. I have always been a planner girl for as long as I can remember, regarding junior high onward. Every now and again I will go through a phase where I don't necessarily have a planner, but it's usually in that time period where I basically stopped being a college student. I wasn't in school any longer, and it was just work and home, working home. But then I became a mom, I got back in college, and I felt like the planner has really honestly always been the thing that can keep me on task and on track. So I definitely love planners so much. However, I went back with a planner company that I have not used in a while, and no shade to Erin, Condren, but I noticed that she didn't really have products that cater to people of color, women of color, specifically the Greek life, and those sorors that are out there. And not that I am Greek, because I am not, but I have a lot of friends that are Greek. So I went to her website looking for a gift for my bestie one year, and there was nothing related to Black sororities, but I knew that she had just launched a Greek line. So I went to her, and I think I sent an email, and she said something along the lines about she definitely would need to get permission from those sororities because of licensing or certain issues. Not to say that that couldn't have been the reason or that it was true. It was just a simple fact that all the white sororities that you could think of were present and on there, and they had all these cool giftings that they could get for their sorors or Greek family members and friends. And so I thought it was just very strange, because she was able to pull it off so fast with those sororities, but there was an issue and a hang up with the African American sororities. So I just then at that point felt like I wanted to take my dollar somewhere else, and I truly honestly went with Passion Planner for a little while, and I've enjoyed Passion Planner. However, now that I'm even more mature and just on my woman-ish, I definitely felt like that she launched a planner that was more my aesthetic and more what I would like to do. Now, usually I will get an 18-month planner, sometimes a 12-month planner, but in this particular case, my last planner ended in the month of July, which is my birthday month. And so I was like, oh no, I need a new planner. So as I did my research and saw what was out there, I thought I would give Erin Condren a second chance. This is not sponsored in any way, but I just thought I would give it another chance because it had a look that I've desired from some other planner companies, but they're way, way too pricey for me to invest that kind of money into a planner. So I love planners. I love to write. Like, putting the pen to paper just means so much more to me. I feel like I get more accomplished, even though I throw events and to-dos in my phone often. It's still something about just writing it down. It helps me to remember more. It makes things more clear. It lays out my day, it lays out my month, and I feel more confident when I have the planner. So I'm going to show you the packaging that it came in. So it came like this, and it was there were a couple custom things that I got, but it took only about, I think, 2 or 3 business days for it to arrive. So I was really pleased with the shipping time and the turnaround time. So let me open it up so you guys can see. And I love the packaging because she does have great packaging. I've gifted so many people with little cards and gifts that have my name on there, and just cute little personalized gift tags and all of that. This was just some little extra stuff. This is one of the dashboards. It's an insert dashboard that'll go in my planner, and you can do things for working out, like arm day, leg day, back day, abs day. And as much as I love to work out, I need this dashboard. So this is going to be really great to have. And then these are just like the little trinkets that I told you, just some little extras. and I always use these when I gift and I wrap with a box, or just even holiday or birthday. And so the actual planner, the body of it, the outside, it comes in a dust bag, which I think is really awesome because this is a leather planner holder. So let me see. And you guys, I love the color. It's a blush, but it just kind of, it looks like a cute little dainty clutch. But it's a planner, and I'm just so excited to fill it up. Look how cute that is. I've never had one, so this is a first for me. I just think it's so mature. It's such my aesthetic, but it has the gold binding in there. It has cute little slots for business cards, information cards, all sorts of things. Then it has another insert to hold different pieces of paper, as an insert here, a pen holder. You guys, like, this is gonna be awesome for just like business meetings, travel, when I go. It's kind of like an oversized wallet slash clutch, and it just looks so clutch. So I'm really excited about this. And then these are my inserts. So this is the daily lifestyle, and this is July through December. So I'm already like halfway through, and this is the 2021, and then this is January through June 2022, and then July through December 2022. So it's quite a bit. I don't know if all of this is supposed to go in there at one time, or if it's just it does it by 6-month increments. So because this is an 18-month planner, so I guess I'll start with the first 6 months, stick that in there. When I'm done with that, I'll switch to the next 6 months, and then the next 6 months. So I think that's really cool, because yeah, I don't think it's possible for all that to fit in there, but this is so classy, y'all. This is so classy, and I'm very proud of it. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I'll take you in a little bit closer, and you can see kind of how I'm gonna insert it and all of that. So stay tuned. Okay, so here are the planner materials. And oh, you guys, I forgot to show you this. This is also in there. It says plan for tomorrow, celebrate today, a perpetual calendar. So this is just one of those kind of like easy to gather, and a list, and line by line list of like things to look forward to. And of course it's 12 months. I think this is so handy to have, and then it even has important contacts and password information. So this is just a really good reference to have just when you're just pulling from this, and then you can transfer over to the actual planner. And these are just so cute. Some more little samples that she put in for me. Please excuse if my head is in the way. Okay, so let me see which way is the right way up. Okay, all right, so this is the I think this is the right side up, and we're going to be dealing with July through December 2021, and these will be utilized in the months to come. So we can move that out of the way. And I usually have a box cutter. I didn't grab it. But you just take the wrapping off. And open it up. When I do this, I like to kind of just do or grab just a little bit at a time. This is my first time to ever use this one, but you know, it's pretty easy to set up. I will most definitely do my best to leave a link in the description box below so that you can get a discount. I believe it's 15% if you use my link. If you want to go on and order. She has tons of accessories and other things, planner related but not planner related, even just like recipe cards, all kinds of great unique things. I'm assuming you snap it closed like so. Yeah, and then voila. This is from July through December, so I've already missed a couple months, but I'll probably still go back in and fill in things because that's just how particular I am. But it's just so beautiful. This is my life, and you guys, I actually save and I archive my previous planners. It just helps me to look at goals that I actually reached, what I didn't reach, and where I was. And it's almost like therapeutic. It's like a journal entry of my life as well when I go back and see some of the things. Some things I'd like to not remember, but it is what it is. But just look how beautiful the layout is. I can't wait to start putting some things in here. I don't have many planner stickers, but I do have a few, so I should be able to use those. I don't know how it'll work. Let me see what it's like to put the dashboard in there. I love this sample of the workout thing you can do with the dashboard. So this is a Snapband Dashboard. Clip it in, fill it out, get it done. And then it's white erase, so you know, even if things change, it's going to be easy to update. So that's really awesome. And let's see. I don't know if this dashboard is for the regular planners or if it could be used for this. Let me see. I don't know, the way that clips in, I'm not sure. I don't know, you guys. This is my first time to use this one. It doesn't exactly fit. Does anybody have any recommendations? Let me know in the comments below. Because my dashboard is not, I think this may be for the original planners. So yeah, anyways, that's that. That's all I have, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you a planner bae? And do you love to keep your planners? All right, you all, so this is the planner with it fully stocked. Outside of just my business cards and a pen, I gotta decide which pen I want to use. But it looks really nice. It looks really clean, and it's beautiful. It's a magnetic snap clip. It's just so cute. Okay, it's just a cute. It looks like a clutch. It's so clutch. So I really love it a lot. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for rocking with me always. If you're new here, thank you for being here for the first time. If you've been here, you know I always appreciate you for rocking with me. I will do my best to leave the coupon code down in the description box below so that you can shop around and see what you like about Erin Condren, and let me know your thoughts if you've used her before. If you switch to something else, what are you doing in the planner world if you're a planner babe? And I just appreciate you guys so much. Until next time, peace, abundance, blessings. Bye.